Spot versus futures, where is the difference? Let's find out. Friends, my name is Yuriy from Trading You. Many of you always ask yourself, what's the difference between futures and spot, especially when you do crypto trading, when you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. And in this video, you will learn exactly the difference and purposes for spot and purpose for futures. First, what is spot? Spot, it is a real coins. What does it mean? That you can buy a real physical Bitcoin. Like, it is not physical, it is electronic Bitcoin, but still you can buy it and you can transfer that Bitcoin in any places. You can withdraw it and put it into cold storage. You can send it to your friend. It belongs to you. It's the same with any other coin. It like Ethereum, Ripple, BNB, Dogecoin, doesn't matter. It works with same coin, with every coin. But what is huge difference in futures is, they created for speculation. Futures is like a grandfather of futures. It is a Chicago Mercantility Exchange, because like first futures it's like about gold, oil, all of that created there, and the crypto market took like the best things from that and use it. Futures it's like contract for difference. You speculate. It's like it is instruments that created for betting, and people in our world like do betting against each other. But for example, when you open any exchange, like at this moment I pay attention to this instrument because it moves quite a lot, and at this moment I watch on futures price. What does it mean? That if I would open buy trade on this coin, if I would open buy, I will buy only a contract. That contract does not belong to me. I have only one thing that I can do. I can close that contract, sell it, and make that difference, like make money or lose money. But I cannot use that contract and send it to my friend Peter, and that he would have also that contract. The same. It's the same like with contract for difference on Bitcoin. Like at this moment, take a look. I pay attention to futures on Bitcoin and to spot on Bitcoin. If I buy a spot, what I can do? I can withdraw it to my wallet and I can send it to my friend. But if I buy futures, that means I can keep that futures only on that exchange, and only one thing that I can do to close it. That's it. What's the difference, and what is reasons to use futures, and what is reasons to use spot? First, major difference. Spot is good when you buy real coins to keep it. For example, like you open like coin market cap and you see that Bitcoin crashed so much, and you have a desire to buy it and keep it for like 2-3 years. When you invest and buy some coins for long term, it's always better to use spot for that. Why? You buy real coins, that coins belong to you. You can withdraw it at any wallet. And for example, like those people that do money laundering, like in your country, you have big amount of money and you don't want to show it to tax authority. And what you do, you can buy crypto. Like in my country, it's easy to do. You have cash, you buy crypto, and you can transfer it to any places in the world, to anybody, even to North Korea, you can send it, even to Iran. Like I know maybe there are people from Iran, but you know that you are under sanctions and people cannot send you like Western Union and all of that, or SWIFT, because you're under sanctions. But in crypto, there is nothing like that. That's a reason to use spot. On previous week, we did a lot of short trades. Short trades, it is when you make money when price dropping. And beauty of futures is that you can trade it into both directions. When you see that market, like current market at this moment that we have, the price systematically dropping and dropping, in that cases, my friend, let me share with you example for trades. Take a look, long and short. Example for you of my short trade on Bitcoin. What I did, Bitcoin broke local trend line, I opened short, I short sell. What does it mean? I made money when Bitcoin get dropped. Like I made money on dropping. That's how you make money. You use futures, especially when you do trading, you use futures. Futures is better for trading because you can calculate your risk per trade. You can have less amount of money because they're biggest leverage. Yes, a lot of people lose money by using futures, and the main reason why they lose money only because they have really poor risk management, and that's the reason, my friends, that we create a free course for beginners. And if you are a beginner, below this video there would be link invitation. What you do, you open and you would see this list of topics. There are a lot of lessons, and soon it would be much more that will help you trade better and stop losing money. That's it. Futures speculation. If you want to learn how to do trading by Binance futures, Bitcoin futures, and all other such kind of instruments, join our education program. There would be a link below. Right, my team will send you information about our education programs and learn how to trade and make money with us. See you.